Step by step, class 3, page number 17, composition with birds. Draw and color a composition of birds of your choice. Let's create a composition with this crane. I'm going to draw this one. For this, let's draw this step which is given. I want to draw one more crane bit away from this. Here I draw the same step, bit small in size. Now I started this one below this one and then above this one, bit small size I did. Now with this step, draw a line here, turn it round here, a curve here, from this one more U shape. It should come like a slanting way, and one more here. From this, for the tail, and draw this for leg. Draw the leg now, add 2 lines, bit close here and make 2 brackets, small brackets, and draw line. And for the leg here, from this corner here, create a slanting line, one more slanting line, a small bracket here, and other side a bracket. Just below this one here, can you see this ankle? And draw one more line. Draw like a V, like a hill shape, zigzag line with the beak, bit longer, and eye. Let's complete this bird too. Same steps to be followed. A curve here, like a U shape, and going more down. And for the tail here, and let's draw the legs. Here it's lifting this leg, and let us draw here without lifting that leg, and draw as like a half part, same way, and draw 2 lines. Draw the beak and eye. Let's draw the ground line here and close this. Draw some waves, thin ovals like this for this as well as. I'm going to make the sketch perfect now. From this rough sketch, I'm going to make it clear. Erase the pencil lines. Let's start coloring this with medium yellow. I'm filling for the beak as well as this one. I would like to color this grass above this line. For the background, take dark blue, Russian blue. Give a line for the background here above the base line. Give a small vertical stroke in different heights. If you can't give the strokes from down to up, you can turn the book this side and give left right strokes from left side like this, so you can follow like this. Take dark green, blend with these lines, give few more little longer strokes. Here I'm mixing with green color. You cannot give the strokes here, small strokes, and not visible. Drawing lines in different heights. Take orange color, color at the top a thin line, and do it bit light. How we did in previous lesson, the same way. Take medium yellow, mixing here for the sky, blending thoroughly. Clearly did round direction. Now I'm going to change my direction to vertical. I'm going to mix with this, or you can use lemon yellow too for the same coloring. Coloring around the object, these birds. Mix well on these green lines. Mixing completely. Coloring here. The lemon yellow also we get good shading. Take light blue, give some lines here, very few. I'm going to blend with white color. Not coloring everywhere. Wherever I colored with the blue color, blending only at that parts. Let's color the legs. Coloring a bit with orange color. Again I'm going to mix with the flushed skin tone. Few lines I gave. And I'm going to take flushed tint, light orange. Taking violet color, coloring at these lines. Take Russian blue, dark blue. Giving some random lines. Coloring lightly. Taking white color to blend with this. That's it from page number 17. Let's sign off.